episode 1 and 2 was parang kahit kay Sir Mon, kahit wala ka namang ginawa, di ba? Nahiga ka lang nun. Pero grabe yung tatak talaga, nasa sa inyong dalawa talaga yung parang mas ano. Pero like from your end, although we have seen already in senior high how crazy you were, ganyan, but how crazier you can get here on High Street.
Well, for me, yeah. Pretty crazy, I think it's gonna get crazier. I feel like my two directors are bringing me towards that. But again, I don't know. I'm just preparing myself na whatever they give me, matatawid ko. And that, you know, the complex character of Cecil, I can really bring out. So that it's not just craziness, but really layers in her character that brings out this thing, this thing in her character. So I'm excited. I'm really excited for that, and I have two wonderful directors guiding me there, and of course the writing also is amazing. So I'm just so happy that my character is growing this way.
Well, to be honest, hindi pa namin alam saan papunta talaga ang mga characters namin.
Yeah.
Style ng production yan at saka ng mga directors namin para pati kami mismo ma-surprise. Pero sa thinking ko, sa aking kumbaga characterization, imagine si Governor Acosta, isang governor, may-ari ng isa sa pinaka-prestigyosong Northford High, at halos namatay na pero eto bumangon ulit. Sa first line pa lang ng dream sequence ni Sky, sabi ni Gov, sinira mo ang lahat sa akin, kinuha mo ang lahat, wala kang itinira, sinira mo ang pamilya ko. So parang dun pa lang, makikita mo na kung saan papunta yung karakter ni Gov Acosta, kung sakasakaling makarecover siya.
Bakit as go ka nagsasalita?
In character mo yun
Ano kasi, di ba? I pitch yung totoo ko pero totoo na yun. Hindi go.
And yung last na lang is to the directors. Kasi like, it seemed na parang lahat dito, hindi pa talaga hindi nyo pa fully na kwento kung saan papunta yung mga characters nila, ganyan. Pero how are you from your end determining the right path for these characters and especially developing them na mag-fit sila sa end goal nyo for their character?
Deliberately style mo ba to? Kasi parang may ganyan ka lately, ha? Dirty-lin yung ginawa mo yan. Walang masabi yung cast mo kung saan pupunta, pero feeling ko ito yung dynamic mo with your creatives. I don't know how you do this, Direk, Ana?
Hindi lang para sa cast kasi yun We're trying to protect the audience. Kasi pagka alam ng characters masyadong pupuntahan, bilang napakahusay nilang artista, kahit hindi pa panahon para magpato sila ng nuance, babaturan nila. Kasi alam nila kung ano yung character nila. So if you tell them exactly where their character's going, magbabato sila ng nuance. Kasi mahusay sila At ma-pick up ng audience na, may binatong ganong look. Ibig sabihin, ito pupuntahan. Pag hindi na alam, wala sila binapatong ganong look. Diba?
Oo nga.
Okay sila kasi. So yun. So yan ang number one kung ba't di ba siya pinapalam sa kanila yung mga totoong pupunta ng character sila. Para may mahitatago, not just for themselves, but also for the audience. Kasi yun. Yung galing nila artista sometimes works against them pagka masyado marami silang alam. Pangalawa, dun sa question na where are we taking the characters? Itong High Street kasi primarily is a story of 21, 22-year-old kids who are just learning to navigate life, fresh out of college. Alalahanin natin, mga panahon tayo yan. That's the most difficult. That's the most fun time. Nung bagong lahat tayo, fresh graduate, that's the most fun time, but also that's the most difficult time. Diba? Add to that all these characters are coming from a heavy PTSD. Naka-post-traumatic, syndrome tumato dahil sa trauma ni Gov. Diba? So, they've all been formed. Yung formation nila was actually happened during a very dark time in their life. when they were, sabi nga sa isa sa mga characters na editorial, they lived under a world ruled by the dark governor, and they lived 6 years of their life under that. So lahat ng actors nila were shaped under that darkness. So hindi lang si Gino ang ano dito, ang character who's undergoing post-traumatic stress syndrome, but everybody actually has been severely affected by what happened in March 4. So doon tumatok ang kwento natin. Kaya hindi mahirap hanapan ng hindi mahirap hanapan ng issues. Kasi lahat sila may bit-bit na trauma. Di ba gano'n naman yung pag pinagaling ka sa isang malalim na malagim, lalo na you've been under a malagim na nakaraan, like governor. Yeah. Everybody gets affected by that.
Direk Lino, ikaw, you always, meron ka daw laging bagong binibigay sa kwento, sa
Siguro,
proseso.
with working with Direk Onat and the creative team, unang-una, napakagaling ng mga artista natin dito. And something we always work on is yung why, bakit. Kung paano, susunod na yun. Pero yung bakit, galit tayo sa isang tao, pakikiusapan natin o sisigawan natin. May nakasakit sa atin, paano tayo hihiganti. So I think yung motivation with us is very clear. What the character does, yun ang secret. So Miss Ana, love. Sino bang hindi nabaliw sa pag-ibig?
Uy.
Diba? So hindi natin alam gagawin niya. Pero alam natin, grabe ang pagmamahal niya kay Glenn. So I think yun yung pinangahawakan ng mga characters eh. Yung motivation. Kung anong gagawin nila next, I think yun yung secret, yun yung surprise, yun yung constantly hinahanap namin. Pero the why, I think, is very clear for all the characters and the show.
Ayun. Miss Linya?
We love that